Hello and welcome. Today, we are learning kitchen vocabulary. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Let's begin. Basic kitchen items. Spoon, spoon. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Plate, plate. Bowl, bowl. Cup, cup. Pan, pan. Cooking pot, cooking pot. Cutting board, cutting board. Spatula, spatula, spatula. Whisk, whisk. Ladle, ladle. Tongs, tongs. Peeler, peeler. Grater, grater. Colander, colander, colander. Mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle. Measuring cups, measuring cups. Measuring spoons, measuring spoons. Apron, apron. Air fryer, air fryer. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Kitchen shears, kitchen shears. Butter knife, butter knife. Can opener, can opener. Toaster, toaster. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Potato masher, potato masher. Baking tray, baking tray. Corkscrew, corkscrew. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Kitchen scale, kitchen scale. Grill, grill. Drawer, drawer. Cabinets, cabinets. Cupboard, cupboard. Kitchen counter, kitchen counter. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Oven glove or oven mitt, oven glove, oven mitt. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. Steak hammer or meat tenderizer, steak hammer or meat tenderizer. Cutlery, cutlery, cutlery. Cleaver, cleaver. Butter dish, butter dish. Salad spinner, salad spinner. Teapot, teapot. teacup, teacup. Jug, jug. Wine glass, wine glass. Timer, timer. Spice containers, spice containers. Bread basket, bread basket. Casserole dish, casserole dish. Strainer, strainer. Food processor, food processor. Electric kettle, electric kettle. Mixer, mixer.
Cooking actions.
Repeat each action after me. Sauté, sauté. Stir, stir. Simmer, simmer. Boil, boil. Grill, grill. Marinate, marinate. Whisk, whisk. Knead, knead. Season, season. Cutting, cutting. Chopping, chopping. Rinse, rinse. Washing, washing. Great job! Repeat these words as many times as you need. The more you practice, the better your English becomes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next class.